Good morning, Bengaluru. Morning 7:30 a.m. We did breakfast at the hotel and check out from there on 8:30 a.m. The day we headed to the Mysore. And in the midway, we will visit Asia's second largest cocoon market called Ramanagara Cocoon Market and some progressive pillars of Karnataka. We reached the market at 10:30 a.m. We have seen a huge mulberry cocoon market selling reeling cocoons. There are 3 different halls to sell multivoltine, bivoltine, multivoltine into bivoltine cocoons. We talked with the Deputy Director of Sericulture Karnataka, Dr. Munshi, a very nice gentleman. He elaborated the whole process of the market to us. The establishment of the cocoon market was in the year 1982. Its capacity is 25 metric ton per day, and since 2015 they introduced e-auction system in 2 Android applications for smooth bidding on cocoon sales. The state government maintained the market and it spent 1 crore rupees per year. The market collected more than 10 crore per year as a revenue. After the cocoon market, we went to see the private reeler factory. First, we have seen multi and automatic reeling machine. It is a huge property with good management of power supply and per hour they can reel nearly 14 kg. The reelers of Karnataka also use manual multi and reeling machine, and for that reason our guide Mr. Nagesh shown another reeling machine which is operated manually. At 12 a.m. we went out for Mysore. Beautiful highway, well organized flower in the roadside, and amazing journey. In between the journey we took lunch in an under-style restaurant, and after that again we start the journey towards Mysore. Cold storage Mysore. At 3:50 p.m. we reached at Mulberry Cold Storage Mysore. In the cold storage we met Dr. Aruna A.S. Scientist D. She explained about the cold storage system and procedure. Double hybrid P1SS like CSR2, CSR26 and CSR4 etc. are stored in the cold storage. She also added the whole cold storage monthly consumption of power supply is more than 80,000 rupees per month. And after that we went to Silcom Seed Production Center, SSPC Mysore. It is situated nearby the cold storage. In the Silcom Seed Production Center of Mysore, we have seen grainage is going on in full-fledged when we visited there. The in charge of the SSPC explained that they collect mulberry seed cocoons from farmers in the price of rupees 550 to 700 in kg. There are male moth preservation chamber, female moth preservation room, mating room, and it is maintaining clean and sincere. The in-charge added the temporary workers are working in contract basis and their payment on daily, weekly depending on their work. Nearly 5:30 we reached our pre-booked hotel named Samudra Mysore. The Samudra Mysore is one of the best hotel in Mysore. It is very clean and beautiful among the Mysore hotels.